Oh, inside better than out. G'day, it's TimWanderer. Finally back out the water again. We haven't been out because we did a little boo-boo. We've forgotten to put in those bungs. And the boat almost sunk at the Rabby Bay.
What's happening? Do we go home?
No. Once all the water. No, it will dry it out. Oh no. So today we're heading out to Mutt and maybe Ralph's Channel. We'll see how we go. So we've decided to actually stay at Mutt rather than going out to Ralph's. It is blue zone, so I don't think there is any restriction in the numbers of rods you're allowed to have. But anyway, let's see how we go. We stay here for a couple of hours. This is a 3.5 glow in the dark G, and since it's blowing westerly and I think it's sandy bottom here, I'm going to give this a try. What did he say? You're not a real fisherman unless you start fishing with jigs. We're just at this yellow beacon and that's mud. Let's see, it's 8 meters. Whether there's any fishy. No sinker. Does it have yellow fin?
Yeah, yellow fin's at the bottom.
Oh shit, no, you can't chip that one.
Okay.
That's 23. Measure it here.
Okay. Over 20. How many did you say?
23.
Yeah.
That one's 22.
Yeah,
that has to go back in, I'm sorry. Oh, I don't think so. Oh, thank you. Oh, just leave it on now. Thank you. This is like a tesseract. You don't want it to touch anything. This thing touches anything, it's gonna. Yeah, see, my little tesseract. I'll give you a hint.
Just.
That's 23.
Only just.
Hold on, Chinese got to do their maths right. Another one!
Yeah.
Man, I need to use your thing.
Yeah, use it. Use it. It's a good setup. I like it because it's got wormies on it. Another little one.
Alright, so we're done with Mud Island and we're now heading to, what is it called? Something Atkinson Reef. Caught a couple whitings here. I think only one legal size, the rest all gone back into the wash. Oh, let's hope we get better luck over at the Artificial Reef. It's a reef. What that means is it's Peel Island there, so we're on the north side of Peel Island. City's over there. Ow. I told you I would catch a snapper.
I didn't realise I was going to.
Oh, I think actually, is it a snapper? Yeah, it is a snapper.
Squire.
Oh, could I have the... Yeah, thank you. What is it? Oh, tusk!
Yeah.
Good job!
Well, there's
Wait.
tusk here.
Hey. Whoa!
Tuskie's here.
What's Tusky size?
30, I think.
There's so many different ones. 30. I think it's either those two. So how big is it?
30 something. 33.
Oh, that's dinner. Good job. Yeah. What a day so far. It's right now midday, 12:16, and we are just outside of Peel. at the peak there were about 14 boats, but now there's about 5, including us. I don't know, maybe people heard something we haven't. Maybe storm is on its way, maybe wind's gonna pick up. We've got quite a variety of baits, but we're using
Mullet, squid,
a mullet, squid,
mackerel.
mackerel,
I think that's
sardine. That was my sardine.
Is it
Yeah.
sardines or it looks like
Fuchit.
looks puchet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got prawns,
And prawns.
as well.
Yeah. And then burley.
Man, that is like a mixture of
Lots of stuff.
stuff.
And it'll even half a.
I haven't even put the burley in the water, it's sitting on top. Hold on, let me get the... Bring it in. Oh, I see colours.
Oh no!
Squire!
At all.
You feel like you're fighting a big one. Another squire.
You're very big. Oh,
Oh, actually legal size.
a little bit bigger.
Oh, what did we say?
The day to catch bloody snapper.
Okay, snapper, close season, cannot take, plus this is under 5 centimeters under anyway.
Look at him go.
Good job.
Feels like it.
Man.
A little bit bigger.
Yo, let's hope it's a tuxky.
Oh, that'd be nice.
It's all about you. It's good.
Yeah.
Oh my
Little
god.
one. I'm just. This is.
Oh, how about, wait, hold on, wait. Oh, just, don't bring it in.
Oh.
Oh, don't bite me, please.
Beautiful. Thanks, man.
So we were gonna go to the Green Island to catch a couple of squid, hopefully, but as you can see, as usual, the bay just turned on you on the dot right after 12 or 1 p.m. The one thing you do to tackle this is drive slow. We're at 9.9 knots, and if needed, we can go even slower. There is no hurry. So let's drive slow and be safe, you'll be alright. Anyway, we did catch some fish this time in the bay. Not me, but Toy did. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like, share and subscribe button. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water.